Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Telegram group organized and clutter-free, deleting old or unnecessary topics is a great way to do it. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete a topic from your group on the Telegram app for PC, using the latest update. First, make sure you're logged into your Telegram account on your computer. Once you're in, look at your chat list and find the group where you're an admin. Only group admins have the ability to delete topics, so double-check your permissions before you begin. Click to open the group. Inside, you'll notice the list of active topics. These help keep conversations organized by subject, but sometimes topics become outdated or irrelevant. When you spot the topic you want to remove, move your mouse over it. Now, here's the key step. Right-click on the topic you want to delete. This will bring up a small menu with several options. From this menu, select Delete. Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision, just to make sure you don't remove something by accident. A confirmation window will pop up. Take a moment to be certain you've chosen the correct topic. If you're sure, click Delete again to confirm. The topic will be permanently removed from your group, and all messages within that topic will be deleted as well. That's it. You've successfully deleted a topic from your Telegram group on PC. Keeping your group's topics up to date ensures that conversations stay relevant and easy for members to navigate. Remember, you can always create new topics or edit existing ones to better organize your group discussions. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who want to keep their Telegram communities tidy and well organized.